Yes, today topic, yes, Java installation. Java installation. So yesterday that independent of platform topic was discussed, right? Yesterday, Java, yes, sure, back 10:30 a.m. 17th yesterday. Yes. Okay. So today topic is Java installation. Next, environment variables setup. Environment variable setup. Next, Eclipse installation. Yes, Eclipse installation. Next, steps to develop Java application or program, simple program. So these are today topic. First, Java installation. Next, environment variable setup. Yes, Eclipse installation. Next, steps to develop Java application. These topics we will discuss. Okay. So this is about today topic. Yes, Java installation. Let me check in my system 1 second. Eclipse. Yes, explanation. So like this, sometimes opening Word in Word with the diagrams explaining. Same thing you can see in documents. So running notes is not necessary. Yes, let us go to documents, your class documents. Yes, installation steps. Yes, installation. Yes, this is installing Java and path setting. So this is today topic. Installing Java and path setting. So let us see this. How to install Java, how to set the path. Okay. First of all, yes, command prompt, at the command prompt, Java C. Yes, Java is there in my system. Java itself. So let us remove. Yes, let us clean the existing Java. Yes, applications and features. Yes, here you can uninstall option. Applications and features. Any application you can uninstall. Just uninstalling Java. Uninstalling Java. Uninstall. Uninstalling Java. Yes. Yes, uninstalled. Next again uninstall. It's also. Yes, another one is running. Previous one is running. Wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. It's running backend. Yes, uninstall. Still running. Just wait for a minute. Yes, uninstalling. Yes, uninstalled. Okay. Next, remove the variables. This PC here, this PC, right click on this PC, properties, properties. Yes, advanced system settings, invent variables, Java home, delete, path, edit. Here, this is Java home, delete. Okay, okay, done. It's cleaned. Yes, in my system, don't have any Java. Cleaned, completely cleaned here. Don't have Java. No, don't have Java. Okay, now comment prompts. Go to comment prompts. Now check it here. Java C. Java C is not recognized internal or external command. See, Java C. Java C is not recognized internal or external command. Internal or external commands. That means here don't have yes Java. Don't have Java. Removed complete. Java C is not found here. Not internal or external command here. Means Java is not found. So clear this is. Yes, let us start installation. Java installation. So first installing Java. First topic. How to install Java. Java installation. Java install. For the JDK software required. JDK software. Yes. How to get JDK software? Yes, you guys here. Yes, you need not to download any JDK from Oracle site. Actually, from the Oracle site, JDK downloading not necessary. JDK 8, I'll share with you. First, we'll start with JDK 8, next JDK 9, 11, and 13. First, we'll start with JDK 8. So, JDK 8. So, how to get it here? Yes, I shared with you. Okay, I shared to your Gmail ID. Okay, yes, share your Gmail ID. Check your Gmail ID here. Yes, I shared your Gmail ID. Then how to access? How to access? Access given. Access given on software and next your class documents and recordings also. How to access? See, first log into your Gmail. Yes, opening browser. Open browser. Yes, open browser. In browser Gmail, right? The Gmail. Gmail. Log into your Gmail. Okay, user ID password login. After login. So next step two. Next step is go to drive. Here this is a Google Drive. Here this from this drive. Drive. Here is a drive option. Drive. Go to drive. Go to drive. So go to drive. Yes, from the drive here. Shared with me. Here they shared with me. Shared with me. Shared with me. Okay, shared with me. Here this is MNRA core Java. We can see MNRA core Java. Yes, open that. Here you can see all these softwares. Yes. So first go to Google Drive. Go to Google Drive. Yes, go to Google Drive. From the Google Drive here, shared with me. Here they shared with you option. Shared with me. Google Drive, shared with me. Here you can see MNRA core Java. Here you can see all the documents. Here the documents here. The complete material, complete course material. From this you can download. Yes, core Java 31st Jan updated this is. So this is recent updated document. Right click here, there's a download option, download. Yes, scanning for virus and downloading. Yes, downloading. See that it's downloading. Okay, similarly JDK 8. Not download JDK 8. Right click download. Download JDK 8. Next Eclipse. Right click download. That's it. These three enough. At this stage, these three enough. Others, when to download, I'll explain later. Others not necessary. No, presently here. Yes, download our Java documents, daily document. This is daily document, download option. This is download option, downloads. Next JDK 8, right click downloads, download JDK 8, JDK 8. Next Eclipse, right click on Eclipse, download. These three enough. Here class documents, JDK software and Eclipse. These three enough. So once downloaded, here you can say show in folder, right? Show in folder, that will take to downloads folder. Show in folder, that will take downloads folder. Here is downloaded. Here it is downloaded. Yes, orange, here downloads folder is there. Downloads folder. Okay. Yes, take this. Yes, take that Eclipse and next JDK. All of this in place in C drive. So JDK and all these place in the C drive. C drive. Yes, in my C drive already JDK available. So JDK and Eclipse both place in the C drive. C drive is the best recommended to use. For software installation, C drive is the best recommended to use. So use C drive. C drive. In C drive, JDK. Yes, JDK. Place JDK in C drive. Place JDK in C drive. Next, double click. Double click. Double click. Then yes. Double click. Next, yes. Double click. Double click on JDK. Next, yes. Same thing it's there in document here. Yes, installing Java. Place JDK. See, place JDK into C drive. Place JDK into C drive. Double click. So next, yes. After yes, next. Yes, place JDK into C drive. Double click. After double click, you can see yes option. Yes. After yes, what is next step here? See. See, welcome to installation wizard of Java. SE development. Java SE. Standardization. SE means standardization. Hit. Okay, yes. So click on next. Click on next. Click on next. After click on next, here install to C drive program file Java JDK 1.8. Yes, let us check it this location. C drive program files. C drive. Here C drive. C drive here say program files. In program files, what next here? What's next path here? C drive program files next Java program files in Java program file this Java folder. Yes, here don't have Java folder, right? Yes, don't have Java folder means already removed. I have uninstalled, right? Uninstalled. The Java folder removed. Don't have Java folder. Okay, now it will create Java folder. Yes, C drive program files. Now Java folder. It will create Java folder. So click on next. Yes, now it will create. You can see the Java folder. You can see Java folder here. Java. Yes, it's created. See 18 to. So 18th February 10:49. 18 to 18th February 10:49. Yes, just now created. The Java folder created. Open the Java folder. JDK. Yes, JDK. Yes, JDK got it right. JDK. So JDK. After JDK, next GRE. Next GRE. Now it's creating GRE. Now extracting GRE. JDK, GRE, JVM. The differences we'll discuss next. Yes, important topic. What's the difference between JDK, GRE, and JVM? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. GRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. GRE means Java Runtime Environment. JV means Java Virtual Machine. These three differences next coming topic. Next we'll discuss. Wait. Yes. See, Java SE successfully installed. Successfully installed. Close. Just to close. Touch it here. See this. So yes, next close, right? 2 times next close. Touch it here. It's very simple. Very simple to install here. So place JDK into C drive. Place JDK into C drive. Double click. After double click, yes. After double click, yes. Next close. That's it over. So installation is completed. Yes, installed. Yes, in C drive. Yes, where that installed is C drive. Program files, Java folder, JDK. Here JDK installed. That's it here. So here JDK installed. GRE also same location. Program files, Java, JDK and GRE both are installed. Okay, right? Yes. Next, so installation is done. So installation is over. So first step complete. Java installation is completed. Very simple. Place JDK into C drive. Just C drive. C drive. JDK place in the C drive. Double click. Double click. Next. Yes. Next. Next. Close. Yes. Next. Next. Close. That's it. Over. Simple. Okay. After that. So next. What is next step here? Yes. Environment variable setup. How to set up environment variables for Java? Yes. Environment variables. Environment variables. Okay. Yes. For this. Yeah, this PC icon. 1 second. Sort by names. Refresh. See this PC. Now environment variables. Right click on this PC. Right click on this PC properties. Open the properties. Properties. See in properties here they say advanced system settings. Advanced. Same thing it's there in document here. See the documents. In documents. Installing Java. Installing Java. Yes. Place JDK into C drive. Place JDK into C drive. Double click next. Yes. Yes. Next. Over. Setting environment variables. Setting environment variables. Setting environment variables. So Windows 10. Windows 10. Windows 10. Yes. Right click on this PC. Windows 10. See Windows 10. Windows 10. Right click on this PC icon. Right click on this PC icon. Select properties. So once you selected properties, okay, you can see yes this window. Select properties, you can see this window here. Windows, your OS properties. Okay, in these properties, advanced system settings. Okay, advanced system settings. Yes, here it's there, advanced system settings. Yes, in your system, you can see here, left side. In your system, you can see left side. Okay, yes, in my system, little bit just assignment, that alignment changed. That's the reason right side showing. In your system, you can see left side. In your system, left side, this is here. This side, you can see left side. Left side. Now here advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Yes, open. Advanced system settings. Advanced. Yes, in this environment variables, select this open right. Same thing document here. Advanced system settings. From that, next environment variables. Select environment variables. Click on this here. Yes, it opens like this. It opens next window like this. Next window. Next window. See this. It opens like this. It opens like this. Yes, 1 second. Put this stuff. Yes, it opens like this. See here, user variable for MN Rao. Next system variables. What's the difference here? User variable for MN Rao. What is MN Rao? It's a current login. MN Rao is the current login. MN Rao is the current login. See Windows multiple logins. Windows 10 multiple logins. Windows 10. Yes, multiple users login. See that? Yes, multiple users. See this. This is multiple users. Guest, Tom, Jack, admin. There are multiple users. Here there is a multi logins. You can create multiple logins. Multiple logins. Multiple logins. You know here multiple logins in this. Now currently it's MN Raw login. Now currently it's MN Raw. Currently it's MN Raw. Currently it's MN Raw. Currently it's MN Raw. Okay. Now MN Raw login. User variable for MN Raw. System variables. What's the difference? Suppose variables defined here. Suppose Java variable defined here. Only MN Raw. Yes, if Java path setting here, only MN Raw can use that Java. Others cannot. Others cannot here. Others cannot. Okay. Suppose if you're choosing system variables, if it is defined here, yes, all users can use, all login users. That Java is common for all. Java is common. Java installation is common for all users. Okay. Yes, if we define Java path here, only MN Raw can use Java. Others cannot use. Suppose same thing if it is system variable, all login users can use. Just like the Tom, Jack, MN Raw, all the users can use that here. Okay. So I'll recommend this one here. I recommend this one here, system variables in real time. system variables are recommended. In real time, system variables are recommended. Go to system variables. In system variables here, go to system variables here. New. Yes, new variable. Yes, Java underscore home. Java underscore home. It's a new variable. Okay, new variable. Java home. Java home. What's the value here? Java location. Where the Java installed here? Java installation. C drive. Program files. Yes, Java JDK. JDK. Take the JDK path. JDK path. The JDK. Click here. Yes, click here. JDK path, right? Copy these paths. Just copy these paths. Take this path and paste here. That's it. So this is Java home. Java home value. So Java home is equal to, yes, is a value. So this is a value. Java home equal to value. This is right. Done. Java home is done. Okay. So Java home is over. Yes, next path. Go to paths. Yes, path. New means new path. Java home is a new path. Java home is a new variable. New is a variables. New Java home is a new variable. Path is already existing variable. If already existing variable, yes, edit. Suppose if you want to delete, you can, but don't delete path here. Don't delete path. So Java home, I want it. Yes, I can delete using delete keyword. That using delete option. Just use delete option to delete. Okay. Now path. Yes, you don't delete path here. Don't delete. Don't do it here. If you're deleting path, voice also will not work. Yes, path deleting dangerous. Voice also will not work. Don't delete. Don't do this here. So path edit. Edit means modification. Edit modification. Edit. Say this. Yes, edit anywhere variables. See that path. So there are different paths already. The first path, next path, next path, next path, next path, next path. There are different paths here. What are these paths here? There are different paths added. What are these paths here? See, first path is Oracle path, means it's a database path. In my system, database installed, the database path added here. So first two are databases path here. Oracle database path. It's a Oracle database path. Next, there are OS paths. OS paths. OS paths. Next here, yes, Catalina home, yeah, /bin. This is Tomcat path. Yes, in my system using Tomcat. Tomcat for application development purpose. Tomcat, Java applications. Okay. Yes. So Catalina home. This is for Tomcat. Next, Scala bin. Yes, big data applications. For big data applications, Scala I'm using. That is Scala path. Scala path. Next, Python. Same. Hadoop projects purpose I'm using Python. So Python path added. Next, Putty for Linux purpose. That Putty path is for Linux purpose. Linux purpose. Now, like this here. Now let us add Java path. Java path. Yes, like a Tomcat path here. Now Java path. So new. Now adding new. Yes, percentage Java underscore home. All the existing variable. Java home. Yes, percentage /bin. So /bin. Okay. So this is Java home. Yes, percentage Java home, percentage /bin. Okay. Click on OK. Fine. Okay. See that paths. Edit. Can see here. At the end, Java path added. At the end, Java path added. Java path added. Click on OK. Then OK. Then OK. Done. So this is right. Okay. Yes. Now I'm repeating one second topic here. One second topic repeating. Yes. Right click on this PC properties. Right click on this PC properties. See your document, your class documents. Where class documents. Yes. Right click on this PC icon here. Select properties. So it's a properties window. From that advanced system settings. Just you follow document here. It's very simple. Just you follow document here. Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Okay, advanced, right? Advanced. Yes, next what? Environment variables. See that environment variables. Environment variables. Same thing as is prepared in documents. After environment variables, what is next prepared? Go to system variables. System variables. System variables here. In this new. New. System variables. System variables. In this new. New. Yes, at new. What's new variable here? Yes, Java home and its value. Java home equal to this variable name is Java home. Its value is the JDK path, right? JDK location. Java home. So Java home, right? Yes, Java underscore home. Java underscore home value. How to get the value? Location. That location C drive. In C drive, program files. Yes, Java folder, JDK. Here, that's it. So this location. Take this location. Yes, select here. Place the mouse point. Select here. Yes, copy that path and paste here. Paste. Now click on OK. Yes, that variable overwritten. Already exists. It's overwritten now. Now paths. Go to path editor. Edit from this new. Yes, this percentage. Yes, Java underscore home. Yes, percentage /bin. That's it. So click on OK. Okay. Yes, path. Yes, edit. See. Right. Yes, one variable you can remove is not necessary. Java from bin. So click on OK. Okay. That's it. Done. Here, this is what is this one? This one is equal to C. See percentage Java underscore home percentage. So this is to get the value of existing variable. So this variable already exists, right? Java home already exists. So taking this value. Now it will place here. So finally path becomes like bin. Java bin. C drive program file Java JDK 1.8 under that bin directory. So path is setting to this bin. That's it here. That's it. Okay. Yes. After that, now check for Java installation. Yes, go to command prompt. Yes, set the command prompt Java C. Yes, it's working fine. Java C it's working previously. Yes, previously. Yes, it was saying that command not found, right? Command not found, but it's working here. Now, what's the version of which version of Java installed? Java version. Right? See that. JDK 1.8, Java version 1.8 installed. So 1.8 installed here. 1.8 installed. That's it here. So this is checking for version. Java version. Yes, the Java 1.8 installed. So this is installation steps. Java installation and environment variables. Environment variable setup is like this. Okay. So this is completed. Next step also completed. Now here some questioning here. Yes, question is yes, interview question. What's your purpose? So what's your purpose? See, in every topic like this, some interview questions will be there. Okay. What's your purpose of Java path setting? What's your purpose of Java path setting here? Java path setting here. What's the purpose of this Java path setting here? What's the purpose of this? Yes, how to answer this? Answer. What's the purpose of path setting? What is the purpose of path setting? See, set is a command to check the value of variable. Set is a command to check the value of variable. Set Java underscore home. You can see this is set Java underscore home. It's a command to check the value of variables. Okay. Yes, 1 second. The same thing expand here. All this expand here. Just path edit. Same thing here. Same the screenshots. Then okay. These Linux path setting that we'll discuss next. Linux. Checking for Java installation version. Java version. What's the purpose of path setting? What's the purpose of path setting here? Okay. Yes, 1 second. Yes. How to check value of variable? Yes. Next question is yes. How to check yes value of a variable? Yes, of a variable. Variables here, environment variables here. How to check the value of yes environment? Yes, OS environment. OS environment variables. Yes, how to check value of environment variables here? Okay, for this, yes, answer. Yes, set is a command. Set is a command. Set is a command. Set is a command. So how to use that here? Yes, at the command prompt, set then variable name. Set variable name. Set Java underscore home. Set Java underscore home. That shows value. Set Java underscore home like that here. Set Java underscore home. Okay. So this is set. Set Java underscore home. This one shows set Java underscore home. Set Java underscore home. This one gives value of variable. Okay. This is so command set checking is like set Java underscore home. Right, okay. Next set Java underscore home. Next set path variable, value of path variable. Set path variable. Path variable like this. Set path variable. This path value. Set path. So this is Java home and path. So set path. Yes, path, right? Yes. Now what's the purpose of path setting? Question is what's the purpose of path setting? See here. Suppose submitted some XYZ. Yes, saying that command not found. XYZ is not recognized internal or external commands. Here don't have that command. What happens here? When you submit a request like this, who is looking for XYZ at the first path? Who is looking for XYZ at the first path? See that path here. The different paths. See not variables. Yes, paths. Is the first path. This is first path. Next path like this. See that path. First path, after first path, this is semicolon. So this is one software. This is next software. So for every software, separate path here. Separate path. Okay. Now at this path looking for yes, XYZ. First of all, looking for XYZ at the first path. See this first path here, right click, edit, copy. Yes, now here check it here. See this. Yes, this is a path. C drive, program data, Oracle, Java path, right? At this location, XYZ is not found. XYZ don't have that XYZ. Looking for XYZ at the first path. If not found, at second path. Up to semicolon, next path. Yes, top to bottom. All these paths. Nowhere found. XYZ not found. Suppose if I say Java C, yes, it's working. Yes, how it's working here? Java C, how it's working here? Set paths. Java C. When you submitted Java C, who is looking for Java C at this path? Yes, here it's not available. No, it's not available. Here is not available. Here is not. Different paths. Okay, different paths. See Tomcat paths. Next Scala paths. Yes, next Python paths. Yes, here's a Java path. C drive program for Java JDK 1.bin, right? Bin. Yes, at this location, the Java C command is available. Now looking for Java C. Yes, all the paths. Yes, at this path it's there here. At this path, that bin location. See that bin location. See this. C drive program for Java JDK bin, right? Bin. See this path. C drive program for Java JDK 1.bin, right? This is a path. Finally, path has become like this. It's a path is like this. At this bin location, looking for Java C. Yes, at this bin location, looking yes. Bin location, one check. Bin location, yes, this is C drive program for Java JDK 1.bin. So at bin location looking for Java C. See here, Java C available. It's a Java compiler. It's all the Java command. Java bin is all Java commands. Okay, Java C is all Java. Sorry, Java bin. Bin means binary. Commands are binary files. Binary files. Exe files. Java C Java compiler. It's a Java compiler. Java compiler. Right? At this location available. Now OS will go to this location from the picking Java C compiler then running. Yes, OS simply it goes to this location picking Java compiler and running. See, it's now running, right? Yes. Now to identify the location of the Java compiler path required. So to where that yes that Java C compiler where that Java commands available for that purpose Java path required. So what's the purpose of path setting? Path setting. Yes, this is to identify. This is to identify the location of Java software. Java software. That's it here. Java software. Suppose if you want Hadoop, then Hadoop path. Yes, installing Hadoop, then Hadoop path. Installing Scala, Scala path. Installing Python, Python path. See that path in that path here. Just observe it path here. Yes, in that path. Set a path. Set a path. Set a path. Yes, Java path is a Tomcat server path. Next, this is Scala path here. Scala, see Scala commands. Scala, see this Scala running. Yes, Scala started. Scala started. Okay, Scala started, right? Yes, Scala commands. Scala, right? Yes, like this. Yes, all that paths here. All that paths. Yes, Java path, Scala path, Tomcat path, Scala path, Python path. Yes, Python. I'm running Python. Yes, it's working. Python command prompt, right? It's working. Yes, how it's working? Because of path setting. Path setting. Okay, similarly, if you want Hadoop software, then Hadoop path. That path you have to set to that software. Okay, so here this is purpose of path setting is to identify the location of our software. So OS to identify the location of software. Okay, OS to identify the location. OS to identify the location of Java software. For this purpose, path setting required. Yes. See, what's the purpose of path setting? What's the purpose of path setting? Yes, operating system to identify the location of Java software. Java software. That's it. For this purpose, path setting required. For this purpose, path setting required. Okay. Yes, you can use any name, no problem, no issue. Java home. Yes, other names also you can use, but some issue with Eclipse. In place of Java home, other names also you can use, no issue. Other names also you can use. But issue with Eclipse. Eclipse looking for Java home only. Yes, suppose if not using Eclipse, that case you can write, no problem, no issue. Suppose if you're writing program and using notepads, that case Java home is not necessary. You can use any name here, any name. But for Eclipse, Java home required. That's it here. Okay. Yes. So this is path setting. So path setting is over. Okay. Yes. Next Eclipse. Next topic is about Eclipse here. So how to set up Eclipse here? Next Eclipse. Eclipse installation. So what's an Eclipse here? What's an Eclipse? Eclipse, yes, is an ID. ID stands for what is ID? ID stands for what? ID stands for yes, integrated development environment. Yes, environment. Integrated development environment. ID stands for integrated development environment. Okay, ID stands for integrated. Integration means linking. Okay, that ID linking with softwares. Linking with different softwares. Now Eclipse ID automatically linking with Java. That Eclipse ID automatically linking with Java. Yes, I'll tell you how that automatic linking. I will explain now. Okay, so Eclipse is an ID. Yes, ID stands for integrated development environment. Integrated. Yes, integrated development environment. Okay, so how to install Eclipse? Same. Yes, place Eclipse in C drive here. C drive. Eclipse in C drive. Like JDK, Eclipse also place in C drive. See what is this Eclipse here? Eclipse. Yes, download from your Google Drive and place in the C drive. A download from Google Drive. In our Google Drive, it's available. Yes, I shared with you already. I shared with you. Yes, most of the guys taken this is. Okay. Yes, most of the guys for whom yes. Okay. Frankly speaking, for who paid fees for them shared. Who paid fees for them, I have shared everything here. Okay. So I should follow online team instructions as per their yes information I have shared. Okay. Yes. Yes, any paid members not received, you can ping me. You can ask me. Yes, I'll tell you. Okay. Yes. Yes, Eclipse JE Neon. This is Eclipse. Yes, Winter zip archive. It's an archive file. Eclipse is an archive file. Zip archive means it's zip file here. See, if it is Java JDK software, it's installer. JDK software is installer. It's an application. Yes, zip is Eclipse is zip archive. It's a zip. Zip means you have to extract it. That's it here. JDK it's installer. Just double click on JDK. JDK you have to double click next. Yes, yes, yes. It's installer. Double click on JDK. Next. Finish. But here Eclipse is not the installer. It's a zip. If it is zip, right click here, extract here, right click, extract here. Okay. 1 second. Yes, in my system already Eclipse folder is there. Eclipse. Yes, Eclipse. Deleting, that is deleting. That existing folder I'm deleting. Yes, deleted. That Eclipse deleted. Now right click on Eclipse. Right click, extract here. Then yes. See, extracting. Extract here. Yes, it's extracting. Extracting the Eclipse. It's extracting. The done extraction completed. Here Eclipse folder here created. Eclipse folder generated. Refresh. Refresh. You can see here Eclipse in the order. Once you refreshed, you can see in order. Name alphabet letter E for Eclipse. Eclipse right. Yes. After extracting, open Eclipse folder. Here you can see Eclipse icon. This Eclipse icon. Now this one create shortcut on desktop here. Shortcut. See here. This is shortcut on desktop. Eclipse shortcut already there. These are all the shortcuts. All their colors are see. WhatsApp shortcuts. Visual Studio Code shortcuts. Turbo C plus shortcuts. PyCharm shortcuts. Turbo C shortcuts. WinSCP shortcuts. MySQL shortcuts. Oracle database shortcuts. All these shortcuts. Yes, if shortcut is placed on desktop, easy to access. Easy to access. Refresh. Sort by names. Okay, refresh. Okay. Yes, easy to access. For easy access. 1 second. Okay. Yes. Now Eclipse. In C drive, Eclipse extracted here. Yes, Eclipse icon. This one. Right click. Right click. Yes, send to desktop. Create shortcut. Send to desktop. Send to desktop. Create shortcut. Send to desktop. Yes, now go to desktop. On desktop, the shortcut right. Done. Or it's very simple. Right click on Eclipse. Right click here, extract here, or right click and extract here. Okay. So right click. So this Eclipse. On Eclipse here, right click. Yes, extract here. Once extracted, you can see folder. Open the Eclipse folder. From the Eclipse icon, this Eclipse. Yes, create shortcuts. Right click, send to desktop. Send to desktop. That will create shortcuts. Send to desktop. That will create shortcuts. See that? Shortcut. Yes, one more shortcut created. Shortcut for shortcut next shortcut. One more shortcut created. Okay. So this is creating shortcuts. Yes, done. Eclipse is done. Okay. After this, what is next step? Yeah, this is important. Fourth step. Fourth one. Yes, steps to develop Java application. What are steps here? Yes, first, yes, create workspace. So first step is create workspace. Create workspace. Next is, yes, create a project. Create a project. So create a project. Create a workspace. Create a workspace. Create a project. Yes, next. Yes, create a package. Create a package. Create a package. Yes, after creating package. Yes, next create. Yes, create workspace. Create project. Create a package. Yes, next. Yes, create class. Create a class. Yes, next. Next. Yes, create methods. Create methods. Yes, create workspace. Create a project. Create a package. Create a class. Next, create methods. So totally 5 steps. Yes, even 5 steps very simple. Matter of 5 minutes only. 5 steps of 5 minutes. Even 5 minutes not necessary. 1 minute is enough. Within 1 minute only you can finish all this. Only 1 minute is enough. But for expression purpose, I'm taking more time. Taking more time, you can understand very clearly. See, once first time created, next time it's very simple. For you guys also, for the first time little bit confusion. Next time within 2 minutes you can finish. Within 2 minutes only. So first creating workspace. How to create workspace? Creating workspace. Okay, for this, yes, you have to launch work. Yes, launch Eclipse. Yes, launch Eclipse. Eclipse, launch Eclipse. See, Eclipse. So here working with Eclipse, its ID, next hierarchy. Create workspace, create project, create package, classes and methods. So first create workspace, launch Eclipse. Yes, it's now launching Eclipse. Wait, yes, Eclipse launching. Launching. Yes, just now install, it will take a little bit time. For the first time, after installation, for the first time launching, it will take little bit time. It will take little bit time. Next time, yes, getting immediately. For the first time, slowly launching. Yes, 1 second. Still is launching. Do one thing. Yes, it's working slowly here. Right click here. Yes, right click on this icon here. Close that window. Close that window. Close that program. Now relaunch. Yeah, suppose responding slowly. Yes, if not launching slowly here. Just close that window. Now again launch it. Again launch it. Yes, real time always Eclipse not testing purpose. In real time using Eclipse only. In real time you can't use Notepad and other stuff. Compulsory Eclipse you have to work. Yes, don't worry. I'll explain all the options. So here every day I'll be using Eclipse. I'll explain all the options. Yes, I'll make you familiar with Eclipse. Don't worry. I'll make it easy. Okay, I'll make it easy. In real time also you have to use Eclipse only. In real time also Eclipse in project development. Okay. See workspace location. C drive users MN row. It's a default location. Next, it's a workspace name. This is location. Location, it's a workspace name. Okay, location. Yes, don't use this location. Change location. Yes, for this location, change location. How to change location? Yes, create your own folder. So take D drive. In D drive, take your own folder. Just create one for D drive. Create one folder. Suppose new. Yes, some test folder. Create one test folder. Test folder. Create it. Yes, in detail test folder. Just to create one test folder. Create your own folder here. In detail test folder, create a folder. After that, now here browse to that folder. Yes, this PC D drive, open D drive in the test folder. Select a test folder. Okay, D drive test folder select, right? Backslash D drive test, then backslash workspace name sample WS. WS means workspace. So D drive test means the location of workspace. Sample WS is the workspace name. So path and workspace name. So click on OK. See, this is creating the sample WS workspace creating. It's creating workspace. So creating workspace. So this close welcome screen. Run Eclipse launch. Yeah, these frames are adjustable frames. You can adjust like this. You can adjust like this. These things you can adjust like this. You can adjust as your convenient. Okay. So what is next step here? So workspace completed. Workspace complete. Next, create a project. So next step is create a project. Second step, create a project. How to create projects here? Go to Eclipse. Sorry. Yes, here Project Explorer. Project Explorer. Yes, here right click here. Right click new project. Project Explorer. Suppose here right click here. It shows the close option. Here go to here right click here. Here right click. Right click new projects. Right click new projects. Now which project you want? Java. There are different projects. EasyView projects, Maven projects, web application, different projects. Now Java project. Select Java projects. Select Java project. Click on next. Click on next. Project name. Let us say test is a project name. Okay. GR use execution environment SE 1.8, right? See, it's directly showing this SE 1.8. Yes, 1.8. See, in my system 1.8 installed. Yes, now question is how Eclipse is able to identify 1.8 because of Java Home. Java Home. Yes, on launching Eclipse, it's looking for Java underscore home. Looking for Java Home. Yes, if it is available, yes, it goes to Java Home value. Taking Java Home value. What is Java Home value? It's a JDK path, right? Simply it goes to JDK location Java Home. So this is Java Home. So this Java Home value, Eclipse simply it goes to Java Home location, this JDK location, and picking that software. Picking that software, integrating with it. That's the reason showing 1.8. Suppose if not of Java Home keyword, what happens? If not of Java Home Hare Krishna, what happens now? Yes, if not of Java Home, what happens here? Yes, Eclipse cannot identify the location. Eclipse always looking for Java Home, not something like XYZ. Eclipse not looking for XYZ, looking for Java Home. So based on that, identifying Java software and picking that software. So for that reason, Java Home required. Otherwise, Java Home is not necessary. Directly, yes, you can use that here. Java Home, Eclipse. Eclipse is to identify the location of Java software. For that purpose, Java Home. Okay, so using Java Home, Eclipse can identify location of Java software and linking with this here. So Java SE 1.8, Java SE 1.8. Okay, so finish. Click on finish. Click on finish. Next yes. Click on finish. Next yes. Right? Get that project created. The project created. Yes. Open that project. Yes. Here you can see Java library. Automatic linked. So already integrated this. Its ID. Yes. ID. So you can link it already. ID. It's ID. Okay. So one second. This is Turbo C ID, right? Previous class we discussed about C language. It's a Turbo C ID. Get this ID. In this ID, Java C language compiler. Next, Yes, that linker and everything. Yes, library and everything linked with this. Okay, so everything linked here, integrated. Already everything is linked with this IDE. Okay, yes, that is C language IDE, Turbo C IDE, like this PyCharm IDE, PyCharm IDE for yes Python application or the IDEs. Okay, SQL Workbench. Where is that? Yeah, this is our SQL Workbench, MySQL Workbench. It's IDE to develop MySQL commands. Their IDEs, Visual Studio Code for Python using here, Visual Studio Code for Python for .NET applications in such. Their IDEs, integrated development environments, IDEs. Okay, this ID here. So ID. Okay, yes. So this ID, so already integrated. Yes. Next. So creating project over. Creating project is done. Creating project is done. Next, create a package. Third step is create these important points. Creating package. Yes, package. Name of the package. Name of the package must be in lowercase. Name of the package must be in lowercase alphabets. Lowercase. Yes, you must follow lowercase alphabets. Must be in lowercase alphabets. Okay, how this package name here? Package name starts with com dot or watch dot, com dot watch dot, com dot. Yes, client name. For which client? Yes, you developing project here, not your payroll company. Payroll company salary taking, right? Payroll company different, working company is different. So payroll company different, client is different. Payroll company means yes, who are paying salary for us? The payroll company. Client is different. Com dot, yes, client name dot, yes, project name. So next is projects. Next projects. Next projects. Project dot, yes, next module. Next module. So next module. Project dot module, right? Com dot, client name dot, project dot module. Okay. Yes. So either com or what? Com means company, what means organization. Com means company, what means organization. What's the difference here? Company, organization. Company and organization. Company means it's a profit based. Yes, company is a profit based. All employees working in company. All are employees. Com means it's a company. Com means company. All employees working is a profit based. What means organization. Organization means yes, is a non-profit based. Just service oriented. All volunteers. In company, all are employees. In organization, all are volunteers. Volunteers means they will not take any salary. Volunteers will not take any salary. Volunteer means without taking salary. Without taking salary, the working is a volunteer. Volunteer. Okay, com means company. Company, yes, all employees. Okay, yes. What is Durgasoft? Is it company or organization? Company or organization? Yes, Durgasoft. It's a company, not organization. Okay. If it is organization, they should provide it free of cost all. Okay. So company, it's a company. Durgasoft is a company. Yes. Next, my working company, Silitech. Silitech is a company. Silitech, yes, they are getting some projects from different clients here. Okay. Yes, they are giving us projects here. We are working on the projects. Okay. So simply Silitech taking all the amount from the clients and salary paying for us. So between us and the client, this is Silitech. So they are getting profits. That's it here. Okay. Yes. So profit based here. Company means profit based. Now, for example, here, for example, com dot client name. Now, currently project is Volkswagen. Volkswagen project, our projects. Volkswagen client here. Volkswagen. Yes. Next. Project name is ERP Solutions. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP Solutions. In that purchasing module, sales module. Next, production module, warehouse module, stores module. Next, manufacturing module, assembling department module, quality control module. Next, assembling department, quality control. Yes, next shipping department. Next, HR, human resource department, accounts department, like this various departments. Now purchasing module. So purchase module. That's it here. That's it. So this is package name. Package name. How to create package here? Right click on SRC. Right click on SRC. New package. Package. Select package. Yes, com dot. Here I'm using Durga. So giving training for Durga. So Durga. Okay, Durga. Yes, in that just my name. MN Rao. And test. That's it. So this is package name. Package name. See, you can create package like this also. Right click on SRC new package. Simply ABC package. You can create like this also. It's working, but the code is not accepted. That code is not accepted. Simply ABC package, that code is not accepted. You must follow the standards here. You must follow coding standards. Com.Durga, yes, com.client name project name module. You must follow. For understanding purpose, you have to follow some standards here. Okay, in Java code, every area certain standards are there. Yes, I'll explain. Topic wise, I'll explain the coding standards. Topic wise, we'll discuss. So this is, yes, creating a package. After creating package, what is next? Yes, create a class. Fourth one, create a class. Create a class. Yes, how to create a class here? See, right click on package, new class, class. Yes, new class. Class name is, let us say, test it T caps. Yes, class name starts with uppercase alphabet. Class name starts with uppercase alphabet. It's Java rule. It's a rule. Okay, it's rule here. Finish. So test class, test.java. For test class, test.java file created. Test.java class name test, right? Yeah, this font size not comfortable. Yes, you have to change the font size. Increasing font size. How to change? See, right click here. Yes, here place the cursor, right click. Yes, anywhere in this. Yes, cursor anywhere in this here. Right click. Here there is a preferences. Right click preferences. General, appearance, colors and fonts. See, cancel. See, right click here. Right click. Yeah, right click preferences. General, appearance, colors, fonts. In the Java, here this Java option, Java font. Yes, this is Java editor text font. Text font. Edit that font. Yes, font name, leave as is. It's okay. Console as okay. Next, font style is go with bold here. Bold means clear visibility, thick letters. Bold, thick letters, clear visibility. Font size, yes, 16 or 18, as you are comfortable. Okay. Yes, for explanation purpose, I need 18. For working purpose, 12 is enough for me. 12 is enough, but here class purpose 18. So 18, okay. Apply, then okay, done. Right? Yes, adjusting like this. Okay. After that, now inside this class test completed. The test class completed. Yes, create a class completed. Next, create methods. Next step is methods. Inside the class methods. Now, here I am creating main methods. Other methods we'll discuss next. Here. Now main. Yes, main. Yes, public. Static void main. Yes, this is standard. Yes, as per JVM, it should be like this only. As per JVM, main method should be public static void main. Okay. Yes. In this system dot yes out dot println yes hello world semicolon. That's it. Yes, in main method, every statement should terminate a semicolon. After at the end of statement, you must use semicolon. Okay, now save it. How to save it? Control S, like a notepad. This is Control S, saved. See, Control A, select all, like notepad. Control A, select all. Control X, cut. Control V, paste. Control Z, undo. Like a notepad. No difference. Control S, save it. Control the save it, or else hit the save button, save option here. Save, save. Here you can save it. Now how to run this program? Right click, run as Java application. That's it. Hello world. Here this font size also, output font size also you can change. Output font size. How to change it? See, right click, preferences, same steps. General, appearance, colors, fonts, not Java font, basic font, basic input output font, basic input output fonts. Okay, text font, edit, bold. Yes, here I think 16 enough. Okay, apply. Okay, that's it. Over. Okay. Yes, system dot out dot. Yes, control C, copy this line here and control V paste. Hello world, hello Java. Control yes, save. Right click, run as Java application. That's it. Suppose yes, same. I'm repeating steps again. From the beginning, I'm repeating steps. File exit, closing that workspace. Eclipse closed. First watch, create workspace. Means first you should launch the Eclipse here. Creating workspace for its launch Eclipse. Launching Eclipse, creating workspace. See that workspace, right? Now I want change look. I don't want this location here. Yes, now it's launching existing workspace. Detailed test sample WS just now created. It's launching existing workspace. No, I don't want this one here. I want to create new workspace. Then suppose C drive. In C drive project folder, suppose MNRA folder. Here I want to create some workspace. Here I want workspace here. Here MNRA folder. In this I want workspace. MNRA folder. Here I want workspace. Okay, then yes, browse for C drive. This PC in this C drive. Browse for C drive. Project folder. In project folder, MNRA folder. Okay, see that path. That path backslash. Yes, workspace name. So what test WS is the workspace name. Test WS. Okay, click that. Okay. Yes, creating that workspace. Workspace creating. Launching Eclipse. Yes, launch it. Yes, maximize here. Maximize. Close this welcome screen. Here these frames are adjustable frames here. You can adjust it here. Adjustable. You can adjust like this. You can adjust frames. Okay. So workspace is done. What is next step? Create a project. Create a project. Yes, create a project. Sorry. Create a project. Yes, right click new projects. Select Java projects. So next. Yes, project name is sample. SC 1.8 automatically selected. Finish. Right? Say yes. That sample project created. Okay. Now open this. What is next step? After projects, what is next step here? Next, create a package. Yes, right click on SRC. New package. Package name. Yes, com dot. Yes, Durga dot. Yes, MNRA dot some ABC. MNRA dot ABC. Yes, created package. So package created. After creating package, what is next step? Create a class. Right click on package, new class. Suppose sample class. Class name is sample. Sample yes caps. Class name starting the uppercase alphabet. Finish. Yes, created. Now changing font size. See, previously already changed. Why again changing font size? Because of its new workspace. Suppose if using already existing workspace, not necessary. It's a workspace level settings. Font settings are workspace level. Now right click here. Right click. Yes, place the cursor anywhere. Right click. Yes, preferences. Yes, general, appearance, colors, fonts, Java fonts. Yes, The Java editor text font, Java editor text font. This is editor, editor. Yes, bold. Yes, 18 is okay. Okay, apply means that will saved, right? Okay, done. So class, right? Next main method. See, public static void main is not necessary to type here. Just to type main keywords. Just to type the main keyword. Control space bar. Hold and control key the space bar. Control key. Control key. Hold and control key. Space bar. See that? That main method, right? Main method. Yes. Escape key to remove that window. Escape key. Cancel operation. Yes. See, anywhere, any application cancel operation you want, escape key. Escape key means that cancel operation, cancel. Escape key. Now control space bar after main, control space bar. See that main something like this. See this. Yes, up arrow key, down arrow key. Yes, once again escape key. That's cancel here. Window cancel. Yes, control space bar. Main like this. See this different options. Which one you want to select here? Search, showing some search main here matching first one, right? Yes, select first one, enter key. That's it here. So main method. Next system.out.println syswo. System.out.println syswo control space bar. Control space bar. Same after syswo control space bar. Right? Enter key. Yes, this. Yes, within double quotation write the code. Hello world. Hello world. Yes, next line. So for next is syswo control space bar. Syswo control space bar, enter key. Okay, enter key here within double quotation. Yes, welcome to Java. Yes, control yes, save it. Control yes, save it. Control yes, save it. Or else go to save option. Save here. Now how to run it? Run as Java application. Yes, again this fonts is output fonts is. Right click preferences, general, appearance, colors fonts, the basic fonts, basic input of text font, edit bold. Yes, 16 is okay. Okay, apply means saved. Settings for saved. Apply means settings for saved. That's it here. So complete it. Okay. Yes. Right. Suppose if you want one more project, right click, new Java projects. Yes. Suppose test projects. So finish once again. Yes, compilation error that shows if you're making any mistake here, automatically shows. That's similar. Yes, compile shows that error automatically. Any mistakes are there? Some double quotation missing. See that the error, right? Red symbol, double quotation. Okay. Yes, now sample project, sample container test project, test SRC. Right click new package. Yes, com dot. Yes, Durga dot. Yes, dot. Excellent. Yes, finish. Package created. No class, new class. Class name is test. Test is a class name. Tcaps, finish. See that? That font size getting automatically. That font size workspace level. Yes, for second project, same font size. Now main method. Control space bar. Hold and control key and space bar. Enter key. Enter key. See something typing that error, right? Compile showing this error. That red symbols means error. It's error. Okay. System dot out dot println. Yes. Hello Java. It's error, right? See that error. Error message. Compile showing error message that has to fix. So within double quotation. So for double quotation missing here is error message. What is some error? String literal means the double quotation properly not ended. Right, that's it. So missing brackets. See that. The syntax insert brackets to complete expression. Insert brackets. So these are compilation errors. So the backend automatic compile working when you developing program itself, compile working automatically and showing all the errors. Run as Java application. Yes, hello Java package. So these are the steps to develop the Java application. I hope all the steps you understand, right? Just to follow your documentation steps. Okay, take JDK software and Eclipse. Okay, from your Google Drive, download it and do this. All the steps. Just you can follow Java documentation here. Yes, your class document is available. You can follow it. Next recording also you can follow. Recording, yes, within 1 hour by 12 o'clock. It's already 12. By 1 o'clock I'll share it. Okay. So yesterday with some busy, I could not share morning. Yes, it was shared in the night. Now today I'll share it. By 1 o'clock you can watch it. No issue. By 1 o'clock you can watch it. You can start installation. Today at 1 o'clock I'll share it. At 1 o'clock I'll share. Yes, I'll upload that video to your drive. Yes, drive. Not on drive, even WhatsApp group also I'll share it. Don't worry. The WhatsApp group also I'll share it. You can watch it. In the WhatsApp group I'll share it. Yes, even I'll upload to drive also. Your drive. Your drive. Yes, your drive. See your drive, how to access your drive. One second, your drive. Same what we discussed previously. Your drive here. Go to Google Drive. From the drive here. From the drive here. Share with me. Open share with me. Open share with me here. MN core Java for all documents. Next MN core Java 10:30 AM. Okay, share with me here. Yes, core Java 10:30 AM. Open that. Yes, you can see all that. Yes, core Java 10:30 AM 5th. You can see all the recordings. Till yesterday it's there. Okay. Yes. Right. Yes, today video also I'll upload to drive here. I'll upload here from this upload file uploads. Okay, same thing I already shared with you. Just you can access from this. Just to follow video and follow documents. Still facing issues. Still facing issues here. Just you can ping me. Yes, ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, ping me. Yes, in group or ping me personally. I can explain very clearly. Just you can ask me in my WhatsApp chat, in my personal window or in group. Anyone you can use. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Right. Yes. Any doubts? Yes. I hope everyone in the group. Just you can communicate in the group. Any doubts are there? Just you can ask me. Yeah. That's all for today. Yes. If no doubts, let us wind up session for today. If no doubts, let us find out. Okay. Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. Yes. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Great day today. Yes. Have you? Yes. See you tomorrow.